Hello everyone. Tonight I am going to be making a grilled chicken in a creamy red wine mushroom sauce. And all of the ingredients that I need to put this together are in front of me. So let's go ahead and get right into seasoning this chicken. So what I've done so far, you guys, is I put the chicken breast in between some plastic wrap and I tenderized it by using this mallet. And I got each of the pieces nice and flat and even. So now at this point, I am going to season it with some salt, garlic powder, and some pepper. All right, you guys, flip it over and do exactly the same thing on the other side. All right, everyone, now this is all set to go on over to the stove. And I am going to saute this in some avocado oil until it is cooked thoroughly on both sides. I'll see you there at the stove. Okay, into this hot skillet, we're going to put some of this avocado oil. All right. And in goes the chicken. Okay, you guys, so while this is cooking, I'm going to finish prepping for the sauce, and then we're going to come back to the stove and we are going to prepare that. Okay, so in this bowl, I have already sliced the mushrooms. I have a couple more to slice. Okay. And here I've got some green onions that's going to be added to the sauce, and these green onions will be used for the garnish. And I've got my red wine vinegar and my heavy whipping cream. So guys, join me at the stove. Okay, so I'll move the chicken to the back burner so that we can go ahead and get into the sauce. This skillet has been preheated, and to it I'm going to add some olive oil, about a tablespoon. And then we are going to add the mushrooms. And the green onions. And you guys, I'm going to season this with a little salt and pepper. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add the red wine vinegar. And turn down the flame, you guys, and then just let these veggies soak up the goodness of this red wine vinegar. And then we're going to come back and we are going to add the heavy whipping cream. And in the meantime, let's flip this chicken over and then cook it for about 5 minutes on the reverse side. All right, everyone, it's time to go ahead and add our heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. All right, guys, let's kind of take this chicken out, and then when the sauce is ready, we're going to add the chicken to the sauce. All right, it is time to go ahead and add this chicken so I can soak up some of this delicious sauce. And then at that time, you guys, it will be ready to serve this. Okay, everyone, this is now ready to serve. I'll see you at the table. All right, everyone, and here we are. Now this is ready to serve with your favorite side, and tonight for me it is going to be this organic spaghetti squash that I purchased from Thrive Market. I cooked it according to the instructions, and then I added some salt and some Parmesan cheese. And now for the chicken. Add a little bit more sauce. And there you have it, you guys. We've got a sauteed chicken that has been smothered in a creamy red wine vinegar mushroom sauce. Absolutely delicious. Please do give this a try, and when you do, let everyone know just how delicious it is. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, and please do share. And while you're at it, please do subscribe to my channel, you guys, if you're not yet done so. I appreciate the support. And remember, it is a great day, and you make it your own kind of special with delicious recipes such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, you guys.